Welcome to Poppins.
Hello viewers, welcome to Poppins Online. Today we will be seeing ready-to-wear top-bottom collections. All these products will be available in our website www.poppins.in. Every day we post new collections except Sundays. You can place your orders through WhatsApp also. If you are new to Poppins, please like, share and subscribe our channels to get regular updates. The first ready-to-wear top collection in premium marble silk fabric with mandarin neck and simple yoke. Let us see how the complete set looks. This is a kind of a fabric in marble silk in beautiful pink color. We have close neck for this and simple yoke with fancy buttons. This yoke is highlighted with pearls and beads. It's a kind of a very soft fabric with checked design with leafy patterns, flower patterns all over the front side of the top. We have 3/4 sleeves with gota lace taping highlighting the sleeves. Backside also we have prints available. This is the bottom for this. This is also in premium marble silk fabric. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1800. The next ready-to-wear top-bottom collection in ice cotton fabric. The fabric is very soft with simple yoke, fancy buttons and closed neck. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is very soft. As it is ice cotton, it is like icy fabric in bluish grey shade with all over thick painting work and gold prints in the front side of the top. Simple yoke and closed neck with fancy buttons. In the yoke area, we have zari and sequence work highlighting the front side of the top. We have 3/4 sleeves with fancy buttons also. It is even printed at the back. We have soft, very soft khadi cotton bottom for this with anchor work highlighting the bottom of the top. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1800. The next design in ready-to-wear top bottom collection is in pastel green color with all over floral prints with simple yoke and round neck. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a pure cotton fabric apt for this climate with all over floral prints. This is the yoke part. The yoke part is highlighted with gota lace with round neck. We have 3/4 sleeves provided for this. It is also even printed at the back. We have soft cotton bottom for this with all over vertical stripes. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1300.